Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Wasimullah and welcome to my channel, that is Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of Photoshop, I will show you how to use background eraser tool in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's jump into Photoshop. Now this image I have taken it of Kung Fu Panda. Now the background, it is white color background, as I want to remove the background white color. Foreground, it is Kung Fu Panda and the leaves, trees, and the blue color, blue color sky foreground. Now I have told you about the eraser tool. Now background eraser tool, it's delete that kind of area or background area, like a white color, it is background, this particular area. Foreground, it is sky and Kung Fu Panda. This was a quick tip. I will be back with the next tutorial, but do subscribe my channel. That's Wasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. Have a good day. Bye.